Welcome to MaidCV.com. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Jelly Coronado from Philippines and 43 years old.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm working here in Dubai for almost 10 years.
Okay. So are you single or married?
I'm married.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have three.
Three. Where are they now?
They are in the Philippines.
And who's taking care of them in Philippines?
My husband.
Your husband. Okay, so when would you be able to start working?
This coming July.
July. So do you have relatives here in UAE?
Yes, I have my sister here.
Okay. So please describe your present job. What are you doing right now with your present employer?
I'm working as a nanny and housemaid at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
And I do my job as do my best.
Okay, what are your duties and responsibilities?
I taking care of the baby and the same on also going to shopping
Mm-hmm.
with the kids and all responsibility of being a housemaid.
Okay, how many children are under your care?
I have two children, the 4 years old and 1 year old.
1 year old. So in the house, what are your duties and responsibilities in the house?
So
Aside from looking after the children.
so I do cleaning, ironing,
Okay.
cooking,
Okay.
and go shopping.
Okay, so what do you like most about your present job and why?
I like taking care of the baby and at the same time also working as a housewife.
Okay, so describe in details how do you perform your task for each location in the house? How do you clean the living room?
I start when I want to clean the living room. I start dusting first, tidy up, and then vacuum and mopping.
Mapping. How about the kitchen? How do you clean the kitchen?
The kitchen, I clean first in the all these things that mess in the kitchen. I clean, then also mopping and potatoes.
Potato. Okay, how about the bedroom? How do you clean the bedroom?
The bedroom, I cleaning, also dusting. First, I fix the bed, and then dusting and mopping and vacuum and mopping.
Okay, so how many times in a week are you going to change the bed sheet?
Every week I change the bed sheet.
Every week,
Yes.
weekly. Okay, so how about the toilet?
The toilet.
How many times a day do you clean the toilet?
Only one time.
Once a day.
Once a day.
Okay, so what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
So I called my sponsor and I asked them, you have a delivery from this or that.
Then that's the time.
Yes.
If that's the time, if you will let him in or get the
Yes.
delivery.
No, I don't let him to eat.
Mhm.
After madam is not there, I tell him to stay outside and
And then,
I pick up that.
oh, okay, good. So, do you know how to cook?
Yes.
What kind of foods you can cook?
Little bit from Arabic and French.
And French. Okay, so are you willing to learn how to cook other dishes from other countries?
Yes.
Can you follow instruction in cookbook?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so as a nanny, what favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
So playing with them.
Playing with them. Okay, what do children like best about you? What do children like best about you?
But joking and preparing their food, they like me.
Okay, so if one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what are you going to do?
So I take him or I take her and then do something that ask them or will do something that can make it very
Better comfort him.
yeah, comfort.
Okay. So are you going to call your employer to let them know what happened?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So as a nanny, could you say no to a child?
Yes. If this prevented and it's not allowed for him or for her, you just of course
Say no. Okay, very good. So the child finishes school at 3 p.m. and she will have her dinner at 6 p.m. During those 3 hours, what will you do to entertain the child?
I'm playing her, I'm watching when she is what she, or sometimes I bring her in the swimming pool, or
Mm-hmm.
what she want, where she want to go, I go with her or I go with him.
Okay. So you will keep them busy.
Yes.
You cannot give them food because they will lose their appetite.
No, yes.
Yeah. Okay. So what kind of a housemaid and nanny are you? Describe yourself.
As maybe I cannot say because maybe it's depends on my sponsors. He described me, but I'll do my best to be a good houseman in one family.
Okay. So give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
Okay. To those who willing me to become a nanny and a houseman of your homes,
Mm-hmm.
I do my best to become a good housemate and become a nanny in all your kids.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from ATV.com. Thank you.